So how to show FPS? You can see the FPS is showing a top right corner. So how to show this FPS? Simply open up your setting, and under setting then you can see the about a developer option. I already enabled the developer option. If you don't see the developer option, simply go to your about phone, then go to software information. Under software information you can see the build number, so press the build number 7 times. So once you press on 7 time build number, then your developer option is enabled. Now go to your developer option. Now find the scroll down, and you can see show refresh rate. So just enable. If I enable this option, then your my refresh rate is enabled, and if you disable it, my refresh rate is gone. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.